Hello, namaskaram friends. These days there is a issue. I have noticed that we have page with redirect, a new status came to the Google Search Console, and when we go there, we can see a whole lot of URL are like parameter with thousand, and I see these are like spammy ones, and at the same time I see like I need to find a way to how to deal with this. So what I'm doing here is if I go to this size 404R, if I go here size 404R, so what basically we did is what I personally did is I enabled the Cloudflare protection on my domain name. Then I went to the WAF. We can have a separate series about how to add the website to the Cloudflare. There I created a rule in a WAF website application firewall of the Cloudflare. I put their rule name as 1000, URI path contain 1000, then block. So this is how I prevented this kind of attack in my case. And thank you very much for watching this video. And now what I will do is I will request Google to recheck everything now because we have fixed it. Which I start new validation. So hopefully it should fix the issues we have, and that should help us. Thank you very much.